In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Tradingview. By the end of this walkthrough, your Tradingview interface will display in the language you prefer, and you'll know exactly where to find the setting every time. Start by opening your web browser and heading to tradingview.com. Even if you've been using a direct chart link before, it's helpful to begin from the home page so you can follow the exact navigation. Once the page loads, look along the top navigation bar and click on Products. This opens a menu with TradingView's main tools. From there, choose Supercharts. Supercharts is the full charting interface, and it's where the language control lives. So going into this view ensures you're in the right place. When the Supercharts interface opens, shift your attention to the upper left-hand area of the screen. This is the strip where your chart symbol, time frame, and account controls appear. Find your profile icon in that area. It usually shows your avatar or your initials, and on some layouts it may appear as a small user silhouette. Click that profile icon to open the account menu. In the menu that appears, click on Language. This brings up a list of available languages supported by TradingView. Take a moment to locate your preferred option. The list is fairly comprehensive, so a quick scroll should be all you need. When you see the language you want, click it once to select. After you make your selection, the page will refresh automatically. This is normal, and it's how TradingView applies the new language consistently across the interface. Give it a moment to reload. When it comes back, you'll notice that the menus, tooltips, settings, panels, and other interface elements are now displayed in the language you chose. Your charts and drawings remain exactly the same, and market symbols don't change, only the interface language updates. That's all there is to it. To recap the flow in simple terms, open TradingView, go into Products, choose Supercharts, click your profile in the upper left area, select Language, pick your preference, and let the page refresh. Your choice is remembered for your account and browser, so the next time you open Supercharts on the same device, TradingView should stay in your selected language. If you use a different device or a fresh browser, just repeat these quick steps. Thanks for watching. With your preferred language set, navigating tools, indicators, and settings in TradingView becomes much faster and more comfortable.